In this video, I will show you how you can add glow effect to your images, just like this. So without wasting time, let's jump right into the video. This is the image that I'm gonna use in my tutorial. You can download this image by clicking the link in the description. After that, open it in Photoshop, unlock this layer and duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+J. I'm going to add glow on the sword, so for that let's select the sword by quick selection tool. You can do this to any object on your image. First make a selection like this. Make your selection as precise as you want. If you want to, you can also use pen tool for the selection. Press Ctrl+J to make a duplicate of your selection. After making selection, right click on the layer and convert it to smart object. Now make a group by pressing Ctrl+G and select the mode to linear dodge add. Make a duplicate by pressing Ctrl+J, go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Add about 5 pixels to make the edges smooth and click OK. Duplicate that layer again. Double click on the Gaussian blur and set it to 100. Duplicate it again by pressing Ctrl+J and set the value to 250. Again repeat the process and set the value to 500. After adding the glow, as you can see the image is too bright. Let's go back to the image and add an adjustment layer of color lookup. Select the moonlight. Now our image is dark enough to see the sword glow. Let's add an hue and saturation layer and click on the clipping mask, so it will only affect the one layer that is below it. Choose your color and set the saturation to about 80 to 100. You can also add lightness. Now our glow effect is done, but as you can see, if the sword is glowing, there is no light on the face and on the hands. So let's go back, make a duplicate of the hue and saturation layer by Ctrl+J and bring it down. Invert the mask by clicking Ctrl+I, press B to bring up the brush tool. Set the opacity to 80 to 100 and flow to 25 to 30%. You can also go back and bring down the opacity to about 70%. And that's it. That's how you can add glow effect to any objects in your image. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and like this video. And thanks for watching.